Hi guys, in the last video tutorial I showed you very quickly how to use some of the hooks in WordPress and our Premium Press themes to display some of your content within your child theme using the underscore functions file. So here we have the file that we edited in the last video tutorial. Now there are some filters. Now a filter, if you think of a bad word filter, obviously if somebody types in some text, you want to filter that text to make sure there's no rude words in there. And it's the same concept with your website. Some of the content, such as the header block here, some of the elements within the theme, can be applied to filters. So before the header is displayed, you could possibly filter it out and add and inject any of the code that you want. Now filters are also good because you can stop the code that's there already and then output your own. So for example, this header block here, if I use the inspect element option, we can see there is a header, and inside the header there's a couple of div tags here. We've got W96, which is just the layout options. We've got the logo, and then obviously the banner on the right hand side. So we've got the banner and the logo. So what we're going to do in this video tutorial is show you how to customize the header block without actually modifying the header underscore header file. We're going to use a filter hook. So we look on our website, we can see some of the filters here. So we've got the header inside, which is a filter, and it's the same concept as a hook. We copy the name, go back to our file, and add a new one. So add action, the name, and then the function that we're going to be dealing with our new hook. So function, we'll give it any name we want, test filter. And the difference is that we can add content. So the filter box here, we can add this value called content. So again, I copied the name of my function and put it in here. Now the content must be returned. If you don't return the content, then obviously when the string goes in to filter any rude words, there's nothing coming out. So basically you end up with a blank string. So if we just test this, go back to our website, and as you can see now, once we refresh, that the header is now blank, because what we've done is we've taken this content block in and we haven't put any return element, so there's nothing returned. So if I added a quick return say testing. So rather than returning the content that should be there, I've just returned testing, give it a refresh. As you can see now, we've got testing at the top. So rather than having to copy the whole underscore header file into our child theme and hard code in it, I can use filters to actually filter out the content that's there already and put my own content in. So as you can see again, we've got the content. If I wanted to leave it as is, which means that the content that's originally there by the child theme, the main theme framework, we can just return it, give the website a refresh, and obviously the core content code is there. If I wanted to customize it, I could just add my own HTML. So I could just put my own HTML here. Testing new HTML. I could put HTML in anywhere I like. Testing bold content. Save the file, refresh. And as you can see now, I can put my own HTML code in here, and that will apply the HTML content you've put within your hook directly to the core theme file without having to modify or hard code any of the content yourself. Now you can go through obviously all of the hooks on our website, and you see there's quite a few filters. We've got the menu inside. So if you look at the menu bar, we have the menu inside, which is the middle bit. So you've got the before, middle and after for most of these content. So you'll see we've got menu before, menu inside, and menu after. Submenu before, submenu inside, submenu after. So basically you can, before is code you inject before the menu, inside is changing the content, and then after the menu. So these are all hooks and filters that allow you to customize your Premium Press website.